Hey y'all, I'm back with another couple of quick tips. For people that were having a hard time figuring out how to use the Smart On, I thought I would just show you my settings because I did have to play with it a while to get it right, but now it works perfect every time. You feel a little vibration once you touch it. And by the way, look at my lock screen. You see that? I'm going to show y'all how to do that. But anyway, so on, off, on. You have to wait a few seconds in between taps. I think that's how it preserves the battery. On. There you go. I can always tell because you feel the vibration, the haptic feedback. So what I've done, and by the way, sometimes the app will shut itself off. I'm not sure why. Right there shows that it's on in notifications. But if you ever do feel that it's not working, like you've tried like 2 or 3 times, sometimes it will shut itself off. So what you would do in that case is try to turn it on. If it's not working, you turn it on the regular way. You go to the app itself. I keep a shortcut of it. Let's go out of there. I keep a shortcut and you just hit save and restart and that'll bring it right back on. Okay? But anyway, the settings that I have are, I have everything off except for tap and swipe mode. If you go like that, you see I have it on 245 milliseconds, 458 milliseconds, and I've got it disabled for the second vibration. And it works 99% of the time. Another thing I wanted to show y'all, like I had said, in my home screen, I've got my lock screen. I have it, I love, love, love my Galaxy Note, and you can put anything at all that you want there by going into settings and lock screen, and down by owner information you can even put symbols and such if you use the symbol key, so that's kind of fun. Another thing is, I mean, it's not really a big deal, but if you just touch that, you get just the date and time without having the whole thing come down. So you touch there and you can see what day and time it is. Also, I'm sure a lot of you know that you can change the messages, your background color. That's kind of a new feature, but you would go to messaging and you just go to settings or somewhere. I guess you have to be in the main. Yeah, so you go to settings and then you would pick your background style, bubble style. So that's kind of cool. That's, I think, new with Jelly Bean. Anyhow, the only other thing I want to show y'all is right now I'm using ADW Launcher, but I'm also using Task TouchWiz, and usually you can't go back and forth between them as easily, but in this case you can. You don't even have to check. What I do is I've got ADW is right here in my shortcuts. So if I want to go to ADW, because I like the folders in Jelly Bean, they have little saucers. I don't like that. I've not updated, so I still get my folders on my tray. And also what I like is I can resize my icons and my pictures to be like 10 per page. And that results in having a little bit on each side, and it's perfectly centered. If I go to TouchWiz, whoops, if I go to TouchWiz and I try to make this picture centered like my other one is, it doesn't let me because it only lets me go left or right, and I've played with it a lot, but it won't go dead center, and that's because you can only have like 5 icons per page or whatever. So let's make that centered. Oops. Hold on a second, because that's going to drive me crazy. Oops. Yeah, so, oh my goodness. I give up. I'll do it later. But anyway, and the other thing I wanted to show y'all was in ADW, like I told you, I have a shortcut of my scratch pad. So say you have notes and stuff and you want to just like send it to your computer. It's pretty cool because here's a memo that I made. And all you do is hit export and to an image file or a PDF, but in this case an image file. And then you go to your gallery. And here's the memo. And now I can share it by Bluetooth to my computer. And I'll send it here. And as you can see, it should be coming in a second. There it is. And you just go there. And it should be at the end. There you go. So that's pretty cool. All right, y'all. That's about it for now. If I think of anything else, I'll let y'all know. Take care. Bye.